First, you want to go to familydiagram.com. This is where you find all the available information for the app. There's a button here to download for Mac OS. Want to click that. That'll take you to this page. There's a blue download button here. This is where you actually download it. That's going to download the file. Although it's taking a second for me for some reason. Then there's a button here where you want to click, and it'll take you to your downloads folder. Downloads folder, you're going to have this family diagram.dmg file. You want to double click on that. That's the compressed file basically. That's going to open up this window. Just follow the instructions to drag the family diagram icon onto the applications folder. That's going to pop up this thing that says, well, I guess for you that you won't get this, but if you do have a version of Family Diagram already on your computer, you're going to click Replace. And that's it. You should be able to then find the app here in your applications folder and just double click it to open it.